You were stinky.
Tubby time. So what we got here, a nice little tubby. You gonna drink it?
Just gotta be careful not to get his head under the water. If he aspirates some water, that'd be really bad.
We got the temperature of the water up to what?
Right around 102, 103. He's like, oh, that is pretty dang good. You wanna nibble on a mermaid? You can see that he's not super skinny. He's got some decent body mass on him.
He's got these weird lumps on his ribs. Can you see them if you get his side wet?
Where the very base of his ribs,
There it is.
flare out.
You can see a little bump right there.
It's not little. Probably just a product of being so tiny and growing so quick. Whoa. Hopping right out. Let's get him washed up and get him out of here. He's like a little dog trying to get out of the tubby.
Gotta do it, bud.
You were stinky. Look at his skinny little neck. Just once you start to smell like a farm.
We're almost done. He looks like a deer. He looks like a little deer.
Get him the king-size bath sheet. Like the king that he is.
Probably the best for a little king. Swaddle him up like a little babe.
Smells like coconut. And Mom's gonna let you sleep in our bed with us. Probably not. Definitely not. So just try to get him mostly dry with the towel, and then I'm gonna blow dry him and get him the rest of the way so he doesn't stay wet and cold. He gets dried up quick and doesn't catch a cold and get a fever. Gotta get your belly dry. You don't want to dry your belly.
Look at you. He's a new man.
Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah.
Bite me.
A little bum. Don't be embarrassed, buddy.
It's cute. Look at that look on his face. He's so embarrassed. Everyone's gonna love your bum. You're a handsome little prince. He's so fluffy. He's probably ready for a nap now. Has a lot of excitement. What do you think, bud?
Just like that, he's clean.
All ready for church on Sunday. He always seems like he has a little bit of trouble breathing. Like his rib cage is a little too snug for his lungs or something. I'm not sure what it is. Seems like, especially when he has a full belly, he has a tough time breathing. Not as much when he's standing. When he lays down, it really seems like he's laboring.
He's got a really abnormally shaped rib cage, so we're wondering if there's some issue there. Hopefully not.
Oh, it's good.
Is it? Share with the class, share with the class.
All right. 4 pounds, 7.9
I saw
ounces. That 8 flashed. 4.5 pounds, packing it on.
He's a doofus. We've got an appointment set for Littlefoot to meet with a vet. It's actually the nearest university with a good vet program. We know that they're gonna have the resources to answer some questions, give us a little more info on what his outlook's gonna be like. Everything there will be included in our next update for him, which I will include here. We'll catch you next time.